January 12th, 2021, percent. Remember, a percent is going to be a rate in which the first term is compared to 100. So we're going to take a look here at two tables. So we have fourths and then we have fifths. So first of all, in this table on the left, we do have some filled in for us. We are going to take a look at these and notice that, okay, so we have the fraction, decimal, and the percent. So when you have a fraction, 1/4 or 1 divided by 4, we can think of this as, okay, so how do I get from 1/4, how do I get that to 100? Well, 4 times 25 is 100. So if I do 1 times 25, I'm going to get 25. So it's going to be 0 and 25 hundredths. So then our percent would be 25%. Now, 2/4 is just half of it. So we're going to multiply the numerator by 25. So 2 times 25 is 50. So we're going to have 0 and 50 hundredths and 50%. The next one, 3/4, we're going to multiply by 25. So we get 0.75 or 75 hundredths, and that will be 75%. Now, our last one, 4 divided by 4, that's just 1. So we're going to get 1.0. Remember, anything divided by itself is 1. If you get 4 out of 4 on a quiz, you get 100%, which is always what we want. And that's going to be it for that first chart. And yes, we're going to fill this out, and we will be able to use what we filled out later on in the week and beginning next week. So keep this percent chart in mind. Let's take a look at this next one. I guess let's do green. All right, so we have our fraction, decimal, and percent. First one, fifths. So if I look at fifths, so 1/5, 1/5. How do I get that to 100? Well, I multiply by 20. 5 times 20 is 100. 1 times 20 is 20. So it'd be 0 and 20 hundredths, or 20%. Also, if you do 1 divided by 5, you'll get 0.2 or 0.20. Now, we can see a pattern, but if we didn't see the pattern, remember we're going to multiply these by 20. So 2 times 20 is going to be 40. So we're going to have 0 and 40 hundredths. That'll be the same as 40%. 3/5 multiplied by 20, we get 0 and 60 hundredths, or 60%. Next one, 4 divided by 5, or 4/5, we're going to multiply by 20. 4 times 20 is 0 and, well, it'll be 80, so it's 0 and 80 hundredths, and 80%. Last but not least, 5/5, anything divided by itself is 1, so we're going to have 1.0, and that will be 100%, because if you get 5 out of 5, you get 100%. And that's going to be it for our percent chart for today. Great job!